This isn't your house, but it's my house. You can come in, though.
Look at this. Oh, perfect. I want to pet. What? Another.
Hello? Why are you in my parts car? Huh?
Oh my goodness. Yeah, you're so cute. Aw.
Don't do it. Girl, what the hell? Girl.
Don't come here. If you come here, I have to pet you, and then I have to take you home. Then you have to meet your new brother, Henry. What? What is going on?